Hey guys, we have 8 times 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Let's solve this step by step. 8 times 2 equals 24, right? Plus 2 and times 2, right? Now 24 plus 2 equals 26 divided by 2. Now 26 divided by 2 equals 13. Right? But this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. Right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. Right? Now let's solve it correctly. 8 times 3, right? Multiplication and division from left to right. So multiply first. 8 times 3 equals 24. Plus 2 divided by 2. Now divide first. 24 plus 2 divided by 2 equals 1. That's 0. 24 plus 1 equals 25.